Now 24th problem. What is 24th problem? Find the cubic polynomial from the following graph. Graph is given. The graph is intersecting x-axis at -2, 0, 1, 0 and 3, 0. See, what is the standard form of cubic polynomial? You know, p of x is equal to x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Let the zeros of the cubic polynomial be alpha, beta, gamma. This problem can be done in two ways. See, if alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of the polynomial, what is alpha here? -2. What is beta? 1. What is gamma? 3. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, then you can write p of x is equal to x plus x minus alpha. If alpha is the zero of the polynomial, x minus alpha is the factor. X minus alpha is the factor. Beta, x minus beta. And x minus gamma. These are the three factors. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros, then x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma into k. See, this can be done, say x minus alpha. If -2 is the zero of the polynomial, then x plus 2 is one of the factors. X minus 1 and x minus 3. These are the factors. If you multiply product of these 3 will give, you will get cubic polynomial. Then what is another method? If you multiply these 3, k into, what is a polynomial you have? K into x cube minus x into sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma. If you x square, x into, see, if you multiply this, already we derived, if you multiply these 3 binomials, you will get x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma plus x into sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma, product of the zeros, like this. Now k into x cube minus x square into alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of zeros, -2 plus 1 plus 3, -2 plus 1 plus 3, sum of zeros, and x into sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. -2 into 1, -2 plus beta into gamma, 1 into 3, 3 plus gamma into alpha, 3 into -2, -6 minus, see, gamma into alpha, 3 into -2, -6, directly I wrote, minus alpha beta gamma, product of -2 into 1, -2, -2 into 3, -6. See, product of zeros, k into, it can be written x cube minus x square into 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, plus minus, see, -2 minus 6, -8 plus 3, -5. X is there already. -2 plus 3, 1. 1 minus 6, -5. Minus into minus plus 6. K into, now you see, x cube minus 2x square plus into minus -5x plus 6. This is the required cubic polynomial. When this graph intersecting x-axis at -2, 0, 1, 0 and 3, 0. And this, you see, if you multiply these 3, if you first you have to multiply this with this, and this product should be multiplied with this, you will get x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Same product you will get, same cubic polynomial you will get. Like this, you have to do the problem when zeros are given. Now what is 25th problem? If zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus bx square plus x plus 1 or a minus b, a plus b. Find the values of a and b. We know standard form of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 1 and d is 1. You remember. See, what are the zeros given? Let the zeros of cubic polynomial be alpha, beta, gamma. What is alpha here? A minus b. What is beta? A. What is gamma? A plus b. You know what is the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, what is the formula you have? Minus b by a. Sum of these, what is alpha is a minus b plus implies a minus b. What is beta here? Alpha. A. What is gamma here? A. What is gamma? A plus b. You see, alpha is a minus b, beta is a and gamma is a plus b is equal to, what is the formula you have? Minus b by a. What is minus? What is b here? Minus 3. You write minus 3 by, what is a here? 1. See, you are getting, here you see a minus b plus a plus b is equal to minus plus, you will get 3 by 1, 3. Minus b plus b cancel. 3 a's are there, implies 3a is equal to 3. You will get a is equal to 1. 3 by 3, a is equal to 1. Now you know product of zeros. What is product? Sum of zeros minus b by a formula. Product of zeros, alpha into beta into gamma. What is the formula you have? Minus d by a. See, what is alpha here? A minus b. A minus b into, what is beta here? A. What is gamma here? A plus b is equal to minus. What is d here? D is 1. 1 by, what is a? 1. See, a into a minus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to minus 1. We have a is equal to 1. Substitute the value of a is equal to 1 here. 1 into 1 square minus b square is equal to minus 1. 1 minus b square. 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. B square is equal to 2 implies b is equal to, it can be written as plus or minus root 2. B square is equal to 2, then b is equal to plus or minus root 2. Now we have, what we have? A is equal to 1, b is equal to plus or minus root 2. We have to find the values of a and b. A is equal to 1, b is equal to plus or minus root 2. See, we can check whether our answer is true or false. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma. We should get 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. We should get 3. You see, what is alpha here? What is alpha? Alpha is a minus b. A minus b. What is a here? 1. 1. What is minus b? I will take here b is equal to root 2 plus root 2 I will take. 1 minus root 2 is alpha. What is beta? Beta means a. What is a here? 1 plus, what is gamma? Gamma is a minus a plus b. A means 1, b means 1 plus root 2. We must get sum of zeros. You must get 3. Is the 3 is sum of zeros. You see, 1 minus root 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus root 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 plus 1. You will get 3. Sum of zeros is equal to 3. We verify. Verification. See, what is A here? A is equal to 1. B is equal to plus or minus root 2. I have taken B as root 2. If you take B as minus root 2 also, you will get sum of zeros, you will get 3. Hi students, what is the 26th problem? Find the relation among A, B, C, D, E if x minus 1 and x plus 1 are the factors of the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power of a into x to the power of n plus b into x to the power of n minus 1, like that, so on. And also find the factors of this polynomial. First, what is given? P of x is equal to x to the power of n plus bx to the power of n minus 1. He is telling you x minus 1 is the factor. If x minus 1 is the factor, then what is x minus 1 is factor? Means what can you write by factor theory? What is the remainder? P of 1 is the remainder. P of 1 is the remainder, that will be equal to 0 because it is a x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. P of 1 is equal to 0. In place of x, you have to substitute P of 1. In place of x, substitute 1 is equal to, because P of 1 is a remainder, that will be equal to 0. Afterwards, I will write 0 here. P of 1, a into 1 to the power of n plus b into 1 to the power of n minus 1 plus c into 1 to the power of n minus 2 d into x to the power of 1 to the power of 1 to the power of n minus 3, like that, and e into 1 to the power of n minus 4, that dash. See, P of 1 is equal to anyway 0 because x minus 1 is the factor. 0 is equal to 1 to the power of n. You take n is n, I will write here 1 to the power of 1, 1, 1 to the power of 2, 1 only, 1 to the power of 3, 1 only, like that. See, 1 to the power of, you take 5 here, 8 here, 1 to the power of 8, 1 only, 1 to the power of 8, 1 only, 1 to the power of 8 minus 1, 7, 1 to the power of 7, 1 to the power of 7 also 1 only, 1 to the power of 7, 8 minus 2, 6, 1 to the power of 6 also 1 only, like that. 1 to the power of n, 1 into a plus 1 to the power of n minus 1 also 1 only, because 8 minus 1, 7, 1 to the power of 7, 1 only, b plus c plus d plus e dash. See, what is the relation? If x minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial, then you can say sum of the quotients of this polynomial is equal to 0. See, sum of the quotients of polynomial p of x is equal to ax to the power of n plus bx to the power of n minus 1 and so on. Sum of the quotients of polynomial is 0, means a plus b plus a plus b plus c plus d is 0. See, if x minus 1 is the factor, then sum of the quotients of this polynomial is 0. A plus b plus c plus d is equal to 0. This you have to remember. Next I will take x plus 1 is the factor. What happens? We will see. Now, x plus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. If x plus 1 is factor, what can you write? P of minus 1 remainder, that will be equal to 0. If it is x plus 1 is a factor, means p of minus 1 is remainder, that will be equal to 0. Then substitute p of minus 1 is equal, anyway you will get 0. I have to substitute p of minus 1 is equal to 0 here. See, a into, you substitute minus 1 in place of x, substitute minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of n plus b into minus 1 to the power of n minus 2 plus c into minus 1 to the power of n minus 3 plus d into minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 4 plus e minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 5, like that. See, p of anyway, p of minus 1 is equal to 0, substitute. Minus 1 to the power of n. If you take even number or odd number, you take n is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. Minus 1 whole to the power of 8. You will get 1. 8 minus, here 8 minus 1. 8 minus 2. This is 3. This is 4. See, n you take 8. By minus 1 to the power of 8, 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Minus 1 to the power of 7, minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 7, minus 1. Minus 1 to the power of 6, 1. Minus 1 to the power of 5, minus 1. Like that, minus 1 to the power of 8. N is equal to 8 you take. Even number or odd number you can take. N is equal to 8, you will get 1 only. 1 into a. Now, minus 1 to the power of 8 minus 1 means 7. Minus 1 to the power of 7 means minus 1 only. Minus 1 into b, minus b. 8, 7, 8 minus 2, 6. Minus 1 to the power of 6, 1 only. 1 into c plus c. And minus 8 minus 3, 5. Minus 1 to the power of 5, minus 1. Minus 1 into d, minus d. Next you will get plus e minus f plus g, like this you will get a minus b plus c, a. Now minus b minus d minus f, this side it implies b plus d plus f plus gh, like that, is equal to dash 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 is equal to, you will have a plus c plus e plus g, a plus c plus e plus g. See, like that you will get. See, what do you observe? B, D, F, H. B, D, F, like that. F, H. These are sum of quotients of odd powers of x is equal to sum of quotients of even powers of x. These are if x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial, then sum of the quotients is equal to 0. A plus b plus c plus d plus dash dash is equal to 0 you will get. If x minus 1 is the factor. If x plus 1 is the factor, then you can say sum of quotients of odd powers of x is equal to sum of the quotients of even powers of x. Now this problem, find the factors of this polynomial. You know, if x minus 1 is the factor, what is the relation between ABC? Relation among A, B, C, D? If x minus 1 is the factor, A plus B plus C plus D plus E dash 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 is equal to 0. Sum of the quotient is equal to 0. Let us say x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. Then sum of the quotient, we will check sum of the quotients you know a plus b plus c plus d plus e dash is equal to 0 if x minus 1 is factor. Let us check. X minus 1 is a factor. A means here this is a 1 quotient, sum of the quotients, sum of quotients. So what is the sum of the quotients? Let us check. 1 minus plus minus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus minus 6. We will check sum of quotients. 1 minus plus into minus 5 minus 5 plus 5 plus 5 minus 6. Let us check. See, plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 5 plus 1 plus 5 6. 6 minus 6 0. As sum of the quotients of this polynomial is 0, then you can say x minus 1 is factor of this polynomial, that is p of x. Now let us check whether x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Sum of even quotients is equal to sum of the even quotients of even powers of x is equal to sum of the quotients of odd powers of x. If x plus 1 is a factor of px, then you can write sum of quotients of even powers of x is equal to sum of the quotients of odd powers of x. Means you can write a plus c plus e plus dash is equal to b plus d plus f plus dash. Let us check sum of even quotients. So even quotients of sum of the quotients of even powers of x is equal to sum of the quotients of odd powers of x. Let us check in this polynomial. See, this is 1. 1 plus 5 plus minus 6. Even or empty. Let us check. A means 1, C means 5, E means minus 6 is equal to whether they are equal to each other or not. B means 5 minus 5, 5, B means minus 5 plus D means A, B, C, D means 5 plus F is not there, like this. 5 plus 1 implies 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 6 0, 0 is equal to minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. As sum of the quotients of even powers of x is equal to sum of the quotients of odd powers of x, then you can write x plus 1 is a factor of, you can write x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. It will have two factors. What are they? X plus 1 and x minus 1 are the two factors of this polynomial. Then you can write, just we will do synthetic division. By synthetic division we will find other factors. You see, 1 minus 5, 5 and 5 minus 6. Already you know x is equal to x minus 1 is the factor. X is equal to x minus 1 is the factor. Then x is equal to 1, you substitute here. You don't take anything here. 1 into 1, 1. Add minus 4. Minus 4 into 1, minus 4. You will get 1 here. 1 into 1, 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 into 1, 6. You are getting 0. Yes, okay. Then x minus 1 is the one of the factors. X is equal to 1. Then you can write x minus 1 factor. Then we will take, x is equal to x plus 1 is the factor. X is equal to minus 1 you take. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5, minus 5 into minus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Yes, you are getting 0 as the remainder. Now, this is x to the power 4, x cube, this is x square. This can be written as 1x square minus 5x plus 6. We have to find other two factors. How can you find other two factors? X square minus 5x plus 6. It can be written as x square. Already we have done many times. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. X into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 3 is the common. X minus 3 into your remaining x minus 2. What are the factors of this polynomial? Already we know x plus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of this polynomial. I think you have understood this problem.